Today we are going to be talking about project phases and Project Insight, including what they are, how to install the Project Phases add-on, and how to create and use project phases yourself. In the context of Project Insight, project phases are a way to track where a project is based on tasks completed. For example, if task A is completed, then we're in the next phase. To install the Project Phase add-on, you're going to navigate to Add-ons, then you're going to navigate to Get More Add-ons, search Project Phases, click Install, and once installed, to go to the Project Phases screen, you can click Configure. From now on, you can access Project Phases by clicking the three bars at the top of your screen, click on Add-ons, and then scrolling down from Installed Add-ons to Project Phases, and clicking Configure. As you can see, I already have some phases defined based on the software development lifecycle. Let's create a new phase. Since we're missing the maintenance phase of the software development lifecycle, let's use that. First, you put in the name, then you choose a color. For this, we're going to be using purple. Then you can choose if this is default. Selecting the default checkbox means that when sorting through project phases, this is the default project phase that appears in the list. Since this is maintenance and generally comes at the end of a project, we don't want to do this. The active checkbox defines whether this phase is active, meaning when editing the phases of a project, if you will see this phase in the options. Make sure to keep the phase active unless you don't want to use it currently, but want to keep it for later use. You'll click Save, and your new project phase has been created. Click OK to go back to the last screen you were on. And under Status, you can see the phase that you're in. For us, that's planning. To actually implement a phase, you're going to want to go to your project of choice, click Views, go to Task List, click on the task of your choice. For us, that will be deployment. Click on the Edit button, click Edit Task, go to Advanced, and you'll see Project Phase at Completion. This defines the phase the project will be in after this task is completed. Since this is deployment, we can select Maintenance, because once the software deploys, all that is left to do is maintain. We'll click Save. Another way to set project phase at completion using the task list is to click Views, go back to Task List, right-click any of the column names, click Insert, search up Project, and you'll see project phase at completion. Click that, then click Insert, and then boom. It's easy to change the project phase at completion from here. For example, it looks like we have an issue where both planning and design lead to development. So to change that, we can click on Planning, click this little arrow, and then change Planning's project phase of completion to Design. Click Save on the task, and that's all you need to know to implement project phases and Project Insight.